We are discussing about GATE 2003 ECE paper and the topic related to electronics. A particular green LED emits light of wavelength 5490 angstroms. The energy band gap of semiconductor material used there. If the Planck's constant is given: A 2.26 electron volts, B 1.98, C 1.17, D 0.7 to 0.74 electron volts. So remember that one, there is a semiconductor. In semiconductors there are two different types. One is band gap semiconductor, direct band gap. The other is indirect band gap. Only direct band gap semiconductors can be used for the emission of light, whereas indirect band gap semiconductors such as germanium and silicon cannot be used for the emission of light. Okay. In direct band gap semiconductors, whenever an electron is coming from higher energy state to lower energy state, at that time it releases energy in the form of photons. So photon is going to be a main element for the light. Light is made up of photons, and light is a form of electromagnetic radiation and is made up of extremely high velocity of energy particles. That energy particles is nothing but photon. A photon is going to be having some light energy. The energy of photon can be written like this: energy of photon is nothing but E is equal to h into f. H is nothing but Planck's constant. F is nothing but frequency of light. And we know that one, for an electromagnetic wave, F can be, okay, C is equal to velocity of light is nothing but F into lambda. So where C is nothing but speed of light and lambda is nothing but wavelength of light. This is F is frequency of light. For an electromagnetic wave, C can be equal to F into lambda. Excuse me. C is equal to F into lambda. So if you substitute F value by that time, E will be given as E is equal to h into C by lambda. H is nothing but Planck's constant whose value is known, and C is nothing but velocity of light, that also having the value as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So both are constant values. If you multiply, you are going to be getting energy as E is equal to 1.24 micrometer divided by lambda. This much is going to be the electron volts. The energy of photon can be used with respect to wavelength. The relation between energy and wavelength is nothing but E is equal to 1.24 micrometer by lambda. This is the only one relation we have in the light. Okay. So now if the wavelength of light is given, lambda is given, what you are going to calculate is nothing but E. E is equal to 1.24 micrometers divided by 5490 angstroms is nothing but 5490 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. So 54. Actually angstrom, 1 angstrom is nothing but minus 8 centimeters. Otherwise we can write it as, this is minus 8 centimeters. Otherwise 1.24 micrometers divided by 5490 into 10 power minus 10 centimeters. Sorry, meters. So it can be written as meters. So above numerator is in the micrometers, so we will convert this one is also into micrometers divided by 5490 into 10 power minus 4 micrometers. By that time the E value is equal to 2.26 electron volts. So if the energy is going to be greater than or equal to 2.26 electron volts, at that time it can able to emit the wavelength of 5490. Okay. So the right option for us is A, 2.26 electron volts. The energy band gap of semiconductor material which is emitting the green LED light with wavelength of 5490 is 2.26 electron volts. Thank you.